Have you ever wondered about places on Earth that defy explanation? Some locations have baffled explorers and scientists alike for centuries, with mysteries so complex that they leave even the most rational minds questioning the world around them. These places, from deserts etched with ancient symbols to oceans that seem to devour ships, challenge everything we think we know about the Earth. So, buckle up and prepare to be mystified as we explore the mysteries that science has yet to fully explain. Number 1. The Bermuda Triangle. A vast ocean of mystery and disappearances, the Bermuda Triangle, often referred to as the Devil's Triangle, sits between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For centuries, this mysterious area has been the subject of countless theories, legends, and fears, mostly surrounding the unexplained disappearances of ships, planes, and people. The Bermuda Triangle gained attention in the 1940s, after the infamous disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers, in December 1945. The mission was supposed to be a routine training flight, but things went horribly wrong. The planes lost communication with the base and disappeared somewhere over the Atlantic. When a rescue aircraft was sent out to find them, it too vanished without a trace. Over the years, no wreckage has ever been found. Some theorize that the planes were disoriented due to unusual magnetic anomalies that confused their navigation instruments, while others suggest far more outlandish theories involving time warps, portals to other dimensions, or even extraterrestrial activity. Other disappearances followed. Ships like the USS Cyclops in 1918, a naval vessel carrying more than 300 people, which simply vanished without a distress signal or any debris. In 1963, the SS Marine Sulphur Queen, a large tanker carrying 39 crew members, disappeared as well. These incidents are just a few among many in this area, which has claimed over 1,000 lives since records of the phenomenon began. But why do so many ships and planes vanish in this specific region? One explanation revolves around methane hydrates, large concentrations of gas trapped beneath the ocean floor. Some scientists believe that when these gas deposits are disturbed, they can cause large bubbles to rise to the surface, reducing the water's buoyancy and leading to ships sinking rapidly without warning. There are also claims of magnetic anomalies in the area, which could interfere with navigational instruments like compasses. Magnetic forces near the Bermuda Triangle are reportedly stronger than in other parts of the world, which may lead to sudden disorientation for pilots and ship captains alike. However, skeptics argue that the Bermuda Triangle is not as dangerous as it's made out to be. According to the U.S. Coast Guard and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the number of ships and planes lost in the region is no higher than anywhere else in the world. They attribute the disappearances to human error, weather phenomena like hurricanes, and mechanical failures. Regardless, the area continues to evoke intrigue, and with each unexplained event, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle grows. Number 2. The Nazca Lines, the desert drawings that defy explanation. Stretching over 200 square miles of the dry Peruvian desert, the Nazca Lines are a collection of massive geoglyphs, ancient drawings carved into the Earth's surface that depict a variety of animals, plants, and abstract designs. These figures are so enormous that they can only be fully seen and appreciated from the sky, which poses a fascinating question. How did the ancient Nazca civilization, who lived between 500 BCE and 500 CE, create such large and precise figures without any aerial vantage point? There are more than 800 straight lines, 300 geometric shapes, and 70 animal and plant designs etched into the desert. Some of the most famous include a hummingbird, a monkey, and a spider, with the largest of these figures stretching over 1,200 feet in length. But what makes these geoglyphs truly mysterious is the fact that they have remained intact for over a millennium, despite being exposed to the harsh desert climate. One theory suggests they used basic tools like ropes and wooden stakes to outline the designs on the ground, which would have required highly coordinated teamwork and extensive knowledge of geometry. Another theory, albeit more speculative, is that they could have used hot air balloons, yes, balloons, to view their work from the sky. The purpose of the Nazca Lines is just as mysterious as their creation. Some experts believe the lines were used in religious ceremonies, possibly to communicate with gods they believed resided in the sky. Others suggest the lines could have been an astronomical calendar, aligning with the positions of celestial bodies like the sun and stars. The astronomer Maria Ricca devoted her life to studying the Nazca Lines and was one of the first to propose that they were used to track seasonal changes and agricultural cycles. In recent years, new technologies like drones and satellite imagery have helped uncover additional lines and offer new insights into their purpose, but no definitive explanation has been found. Despite modern advancements, the Nazca Lines remain one of archaeology's most enduring enigmas, sparking endless fascination and debate. Number 3. The Door to Hell, a flaming crater that burns eternally. The Darvaza gas crater, more famously known as the Door to Hell, is a fiery pit located in the heart of Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert. This crater, which spans about 230 feet across and is 65 feet deep, has been burning continuously for more than 50 years. In 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas in the area when they accidentally punctured an underground cavern, causing the ground to collapse and forming the crater we see today. As a result, methane gas started leaking into the atmosphere, creating a potentially dangerous situation. To prevent further gas release, the engineers set the crater on fire, thinking that the gas would burn off within a few days. But here's the twist. Decades later, the fire is still burning. Despite its ominous appearance, the Door to Hell has become a popular tourist destination. Standing near its edge, visitors can feel the intense heat radiating from the flames and hear the hissing of the gas being consumed by the fire. The Darvaza crater has also caught the attention of environmentalists. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, is being released from the crater, contributing to climate change. There have been talks of extinguishing the fire for good, but so far, no attempts have been successful. Some scientists believe that the amount of natural gas reserves beneath the crater is far greater than initially thought, which explains why it has been burning for so long. While the burning crater is often seen as a symbol of human error in our quest for natural resources, it also serves as a strong reminder of the power and unpredictability of the earth beneath our feet. Number 4. The Devil's Kettle, a river that swallows everything without a trace. In the heart of Judge C.R. Magny State Park in northern Minnesota, a small river known as the Brule River encounters one of nature's most puzzling features: the Devil's Kettle. At this point, the river splits into two streams as it cascades over a rocky waterfall. While one half of the river continues on its path downstream, the other half vanishes into a deep hole in the rock, seemingly disappearing into the earth without a trace. What makes the Devil's Kettle so mysterious is that no one knows exactly where the water that flows into the hole ends up. Researchers and scientists have attempted to solve the mystery by throwing various objects, dye, ping-pong balls, GPS trackers, into the hole, hoping to see them emerge further downstream. But nothing has ever reappeared, leading to widespread speculation about the fate of the water. One prevailing theory is that the water flows into an underground river or cavern system, but no such system has been discovered. Another idea is that the water might seep through porous rock formations and eventually rejoin the Brule River downstream, but the lack of evidence makes this difficult to prove. The Devil's Kettle continues to perplex geologists, and despite numerous studies, its secrets remain locked deep within the earth. And that concludes our journey through 4 of the most mysterious places on Earth. These places challenge our understanding of the world and remind us that there's still so much about our planet we don't fully comprehend. Which of these locations do you find the most fascinating? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring these mysteries with us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Inquisitive, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss another deep dive into the unknown. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.